Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome to a fun little Wednesday vlog here. It is about 10:30 and I've just been working for the past few hours. Had to kind of get right to it because my video for today wasn't done yet, and so I had to get that done and then do a little prep for a call that I have now in about 30 minutes. I'm just throwing a little bit of light makeup on, nothing crazy because I don't have too much going on today. Just enough that I, look professional and put together. Honestly, I'm gonna take a shower after this call because I want to wash my hair today. So all of this makeup will come off of my face as soon as I do that. But it's a very exciting day today because my parents actually get in town today. They have not been out in LA for a little while now, so I convinced them. They were kind of thinking about different vacation and trip ideas, and I was like, you could always just come to LA and see me. And so they decided that's what they were gonna do. So they're here for the next couple of days, which is gonna be really fun. We have a lot of kind of fun, different stuff planned that we've never done before. So today is gonna be all about not only work, but also making sure that our place is put together for parent viewing. I also have a couple little things that I wanna hang around our apartment that I recently got. Luckily, my parents do not get in until 6:30 tonight, so we have plenty of time to get everything done, which is really nice. Although this day is already going really fast, I couldn't believe that it was already approaching 11 a.m. I was like, shit, I have to get myself put together here. When I'm doing makeup just for a call like this though, I keep it really quick and simple. Obviously just a little bit of concealer, a little bit of bronzer on my face. I'll probably add a little bit of blush too, just because I love blush. But I'm not even gonna put anything on my eyes. I'm just gonna do some mascara. I tried this Ilia mascara. I got a little sample size of it as my birthday gift from Sephora this year. I like it. Can't decide how much I like it, but I do like it. I think it gives my lashes a longer, wispier vibe, whereas my usual mascara kind of makes them look a little bit thicker, which I think I prefer, but this is kind of fun too. You kind of get the vibe. It makes them look really long, which is nice, but I wish they looked a little fuller. And there you have it. That took 4 minutes. Nice and easy. And now I'm gonna get changed. I wonder how long it's been since Tara pierced my ear. It was I'm pretty sure it was St. Patty's Day, so March 17th. So yeah, it's been more than a month. I wonder when I can change this. I think it has to be 6 weeks, or really as long as you can, but I'm excited to play around with the second hole here. Be able to try some different earring combos. They're looking good though. They've healed really nicely so far. Nothing weird going on, no pain or anything. So, I mean, we kind of killed it. I can't believe I let her do that still. Okay, I need to change my top and then hop into this call. Hey guys, oh wait. Hey guys. How's your day going?
Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice to see you too, Rebecca. 12:30, first half of the day done. T-minus 6 hours until my parents get in. But I'm gonna make some lunch right now. I think I'm just gonna throw together something easy. I really don't know. We didn't go grocery shopping this week just because my parents were coming, so we're gonna be eating out a lot. We're kind of just working with whatever we got in the pantry. I like that girl's little sweat set. Just got out of her car. Always creeping. I'm always creeping. Yeah, let's go make some lunch. Remembered that I had some leftover soup in the fridge from the soup that we made last weekend. That was in the last vlog if you missed it. And it is so good, so I'm so excited for some more of this. Would have made a sandwich too, but we're running kind of low on, we're kind of running low on everything. So I might make a little toaster or something like that afterwards. And during lunch, I'm going to watch part of, probably not the whole thing because it's long, the Love is Blind reunion. Because I was one of the people who could just never access their messed up live stream. So I haven't seen it yet. I feel like I've seen a lot of spoilers and it's kind of boring and stupid. So who knows if we'll even watch the whole thing, but I made it this far. Gotta watch the last little bit of it. Past couple hours have really gotten away from me. It is now 4 p.m. Luckily for me, not so luckily for my parents, but their flight got delayed a little, so they get in at 7 now. So I have a slightly more time, 3 hours until they land, but it's time to start getting this place kind of put together for them. I don't even think that they're coming by today, but I just kind of want to tidy up just in case they pop in, or also just to kind of get it done and over with, But I also thought that this would be a good opportunity to do a couple things around the apartment that I've been wanting to do lately. Just a couple little things, but Tara, since she's moving out of her LA place, has started going through all of her stuff and sending me photos of things and asking if I want them. So I took a couple things from her before she left. I have a big circle mirror and then a couple clear shelves that I think I'm gonna put in the bathroom. So here is the circle mirror. There it is. I was originally thinking that I was going to hang that mirror in our bedroom. And I was thinking like here above my dresser, because my original plan when we moved into this place was to put a circle mirror here because I had one, but it got lost during my move. Actually, all my mirrors did. None of them ended up making it off the truck, which is definitely disappointing, but it happens, it's fine. And I didn't notice until much later when I was like, where are all of those? You guys know how it goes when you're moving, like stuff is everywhere. It's hard to know what's there and what's not. So originally I was thinking of putting that here, but it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. And I don't think it's gonna fit here. And also I don't like the idea of a mirror here facing our mirror there, like mirrorception. I don't wanna move this mirror, so that's kind of where we're at. So when Tara originally gave me this mirror, she was like, are you gonna put it kind of in your living room? And I told her, no, I'm gonna put it there. But after seeing how big it is, I actually think I'm gonna put it where she asked me, which is going to be just right above this console here, which I think will look really, really pretty. I'm excited about it. And then the other thing are these clear acrylic shelves here. Not sure if I'll put these up today because it's not that urgent. Maybe I will though, I don't know. But I'm thinking about putting these up here just because I have pretty much like moved most of my stuff into this hall bathroom now. And Connor uses the bathroom attached to our bedroom. Like I shower in here and everything. It's just a much better shower for my hair. So it just, the migration slowly happened. Now literally like my toothbrush and everything is in here. So I obviously just kind of have all of my products like lined up here along the sink. And so these will be really nice to just put these up here. I don't know how many I'll need, if I only need one or two. I'm gonna like play around with placement of products on them before I put it up so that I know. And then I guess this little guy will probably have to come down or be moved, TBD. But we're gonna start with the mirror. This should be interesting because I have somehow injured my back, or really more my shoulder. I don't know exactly what happened. It kind of feels like a muscle muscle spasm or something. So this is probably something that I shouldn't be doing, but we're just gonna do it anyway. First things first, going to clean the mirror because it has been sitting in the back of my car for a couple of weeks just collecting dust. So going to need to clean this baby off. Oh man, on my shoulder. This is really bad, you guys. I'm kind of nervous for myself. I also need to figure out hanging this. I asked Tara how she had it hung up, just so that I kind of had an idea of what she did. She said she never hung it. She just had it leaning on the console, and I'm like, oh, maybe I should do that too, because one, it's easier, and two, I'm just scared about it falling off the wall. I don't know if I have an anchor. I have to look in our toolkit. So I did find an anchor, which is great. And I watched a video about how to install one because I've never done it before. And honestly, I just don't know if my skills are strong enough with my back in the condition it's in. So I think just for now, at least, we're going to just lean it. I think it's probably gonna look really nice like that anyway. And then maybe I will try to install this at a later date, or maybe while my dad's in town, he'll try to help, I don't know. But I think for now, we're gonna stick with just leaning it because it's gonna look nice and it's way less work for me. Yeah, I mean, that looks super cute, you guys. I really like it. This stuff is gonna need some rearranging. Also, sorry for the background noise. It's just the dishwasher running. This picture might need to get removed altogether. I don't know. Maybe this is what needs to be hung now? No, that's gonna look weird. I don't know, maybe I get rid of this altogether. I don't know, you guys. Yeah, I like that. The only thing is there's some marks on the wall here from that picture. You guys, look what I found, a magic eraser, perfect. Oh, these things are actually insane. Like, what the hell? Just cleans so well. Beautiful, just like it never happened. I feel like this looks so great, you guys. It looks so cute. I'm here for it. Cute little like picture location too for Instagrams. Molly Cat, please stay out of that closet. Next to these shelves. So I was looking at how to install them, and it's literally so easy. It's just like little press-on stickers. Like, it cannot get easier than that. So I think we're gonna go for it. But first I need to figure out how many I need. Okay, so I do honestly think I could get away with like just one shelf, which is kind of nice because then maybe I don't have to take this down. TBD on that part though. I need to play around with that. I wish I had somewhere good to like set you guys. What about in here maybe? Honestly, yeah. Okay, yeah, I think either way that does have to move. Perhaps it just gets moved up a little. I'm trying to film this for TikTok too, and so I'm just getting all the angles. Sorry if this is in your view at all. It honestly might be. Okay, we got it all set up. These instructions are actually terrible. It's gonna be hard. Oh, it worked. Sorry, I know this is kind of blocking it for you guys, but I'm just getting it for the TikTok. I'm just putting the products up there. Now the question is, do I still want this to hang up here? It's kind of high up now. It looks kind of funny, I think, eh? I don't know. I'm kind of conflicted. Can I get your opinion on something quickly? So, I'm trying to decide.
Tacky.
No, not this. This is same. Okay, I'm trying to decide if I should still keep this picture hung above this.
Okay.
But I don't know if it's like too high. Like, see how it has to go up like really high on the wall?
I don't think so.
You think it looks nice?
I think it looks nice.
Okay, cool.
Like it's straight, obviously.
Yeah, obviously.
I wouldn't hang it like that. Well, you don't need to go in there.
Where's she going? Oh, into the closet. Connor, I literally keep trying to talk to Connor, but he has noise canceling headphones on, so he can't hear me. Hi, is that your mouse? Is that your mousey? Let's see you run. Ready? Ow.
Oh, baby.
Yeah. Good work, baby. You're so fast. She's a runner, she's a track star. We're gonna hang that picture back up. Okay, yay, done.
Love a handy gal.
Yes, we do. I feel like that looks really nice and so much nicer having that stuff up on a shelf versus just like all over the counter here. Alrighty, our place is in pretty good shape right now. Thanks for your help, Con.
Of course.
Got our cool new mirror set up here, which I'm really liking, honestly.
Yeah, I'm a big fan.
It's really cute. So I'm leaving about 40-ish minutes to go pick up my parents. Super excited, can't wait for them to get in. We just ran to the store and picked up a couple little things just to have here. I don't even know how much time we'll spend at our place, when they'll be here, if they'll be here, like I really don't know. Wanted to grab a couple things just in case, and either way we'll go through it. So we just grabbed like a kind of casual red and a white wine. Got a bottle of tequila because my dad loves tequila, so we thought maybe at some point we would be having some tequila together. And then just grabbed like some chips, some salsa, some little snacky things in case they want any of that. I think we're in pretty good shape right now. Whoa. Oh my god, my back, you guys. I actually have seriously injured my back. I'm getting a little nervous about it because it has not gotten better throughout the day as I've been doing stretches and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm on my way to go pick up my parents. I am so excited to see them, you guys. It's gonna be so fun. Oh, shit. I just keep hitting every light. It's so annoying. They just landed. They should be off their plane really soon because they treated themselves on this trip. They had a bunch of points, so they bought first class tickets on the way here, which is so fun. Such a fun way to kick off vacation when you get to fly first class. I've literally only been in first class one time in my life, but it was the best ever. Also, I forget if I said this, but obviously I never made it around to washing my hair today, so that's gonna be a tomorrow task, which is totally fine since we're just keeping it super casual tonight with my parents. But anyway, I'm just so excited to see them. I haven't seen them since Christmas, obviously, and so anytime we get together is always the best time. So let's go get them.
Hey.
So happy you're here.
Thanks for having us.
Happy vacay. Hiya friends, it is the next day and it's about 1 o'clock, 1:30-ish. And we are about to head out for lunch with my parents. We're gonna go into Malibu, hit Duke's, which is gonna be so delicious. So excited for that. And just have like a nice, chill day here, which is gonna be really good. My parents just took the car and ran over to Target to pick up some stuff that they wanted, I think, at their hotel. And now they're on their way to pick up Con and I so that we can head out. So let's do it. Cheers, guys.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah. Just got our drinks. I got the spicy cucumber margarita, which is my favorite drink here. It's so good.
I got one too, but mine's smoky.
That's right, you got the smoky version with mezcal. I personally cannot stand mezcal. It is not for me. How do you like it? Yummy? Con got the Mai Tai, Mom got a mojito.
Oh yeah,
Classic.
delicious.
And we're just enjoying this gorgeous view out here. Dad spotted a whale, which was really cool. So, on the hunt for wildlife. Shout out to our waiter, Robin, who we're all obsessed with. And he brought us this giant piece of, I think, ice cream cake.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this monstrosity. It's freaking huge. It's so crazy. Hot fudge, cold fudge, vanilla ice cream, whipped cream. Oh yeah, Oreo crusted.
It's called The Works.
Yeah, no kidding. It's gonna be, and he was like, he comped it for us, and he was like, I picked out the biggest slice that I could find. So there you go.
Love you, Robin. Very funny.
Just popping in here to end the vlog. I know I did not vlog much yesterday. I think it's a lot of montagey type stuff, but hopefully you don't mind. We were just having a really nice time with my family, and honestly, after we watched the sunset, we just came back here, ordered some pizza, and chilled out, which was really, really nice. And we have a whole fun weekend ahead, but that's gonna be in the next vlog, so thank you for watching today, and I will see you in my next video.